Good morning students. Today we are going to start EVS chapter 13 Animals in our homes. Today we will learn about animals. Read this story. Rashid has a pet dog, Kimi. One night Kimi ran to the balcony and began to bark. Rashid's father went to the balcony and switched on the light. The other neighbors came out of their houses too. They saw a light in the Mehra's house. The Mehras were away on a holiday. They found a thief coming out of their house. They caught the thief and called the police. Everyone patted Kimi. He was a hero. He saved a house from being robbed. Now see, this is a Kimi. He is a hero because he saved a house from being robbed. So you having a pet? Okay, now answer these questions. Why did Kimi start barking suddenly? Kimi started barking suddenly because a thief was trying to enter Mehra's house. How did Kimi know there was a thief in the Mehra's house? It is because the stranger does not belong to Mehra's family. What did the neighbors feel about Kimi? The neighbors were very happy. They felt Kimi was a hero as he saved the house from being robbed. So I think so you all are having a one pet. Some having a dog, some having cat, some having parrot, rabbit. Today we will learn about the animals. Animals live everywhere in the world. Many animals with us. Animals that we keep in our homes as our friend are called pet animals. Animals that live on our farms and fields and work for us are called farm animal. Some animals and birds such as squirrel and crows live all around us in our homes, our gardens and on the trees in our street. Now pet animals. A pet is a friend or companion. We keep pets at home because we love them. Animals such as dog, cats, rabbits make good pets. I think some student having dog, cat, rabbit. If you keep a pet at home, you must take good care of it. Caring for pet. How we can care? Now see, pet animals need to be loved, kept clean, given enough food and clean water, taken to a vet, a doctor who treats animal. Vet means a doctor who treats animals from time to time. Given warm, bright and airy space to play in. Protected from the heat in summer and the cold in winter. Now farm animals. People keep animals such as cows, buffaloes, donkeys, goats, sheep and now see the picture of cows and sheep. Horses on farm. They keep them in places specially made for them. Some people keep hens and ducks as well. Farm animals live outdoors. We cannot keep them within houses in cities. Farms have a lot of open space for the animals to roam and graze in. Roam मतलब जो कि वो घूमते हैं, grazing मतलब जब वो चरते हैं, है ना? Homes for animals. Manas works on Uncle Oliver's farm. He looks after the animals on the farm. Manas enjoys being with the animals. They are his friends. Manas has built a kennel for Joy, the dog. Who is Joy? Joy is a dog. Joy wags his tail whenever Manas comes to feed him. Just beside the kennel is a coop for the hens. Uncle Oliver is very fond of his hens. Manas feeds grain to the hens. Now see the hens. A little away is a shed for the cows, Gauri and Bhuri. Manas gives them grass and hay to eat. He also gives them fresh water to drink. Manas also helps Uncle Oliver in the stable. They have a new horses, Beauty like eating maize. Now pests. Pests are unwanted visitors in our house. They trouble us and spread many diseases. Rats, houseflies and cockroaches are some common pests. To keep our house free from pests, we must keep all the rooms, especially the kitchen and the bathroom, clean. We must also spray pesticides from time to time. Herbal pesticides made from plants are safe for pets. Now see the pests. These are unwanted visitors. So today you have read this about home for animals, caring for pet animals, farm animals, pet animals, and Kimi's stories also. It is very interesting. So take care of your pet animals. And today you will read this chapter. Okay.